So today I'll teach you what AI agent is. Right. What is an AI agent? I'll tell you what it is not. It is not a chatbot. Okay? Chatbot does not equal AI agent. Does not equal. Right. I'm gonna explain it fully in 3 minutes. Right. Chatbot equals response. Automation is following rules. So if this thing happens, then this should happen. Agents are pursuing an outcome. Go find me a suit. Quite long, right? So let's do an example to make it obvious. Chat would be just an email. Write me an email about this. Boom. It's written. Write me an email about that. It's written. It's simple, straightforward. Automation. If Brazil scores a goal, send an email out to all my Brazilian users saying congrats, here's 10%. Whatever, right? Agents are much more complicated. It can go off and pursue a quite ambiguous goal. So the question and the ask for the agent is, go find me 20 potential clients for my B2B AI SaaS, right? So with that ask, here's the goal. Boom. Goal has been set. Then the agent goes off and plans. He thinks about it, or she thinks about it. It thinks about it for a bit. It comes up with, okay, this user who's asked me this question is in Boston. He runs an agency. Here's the competitors. Here's the potential clients that have not spent time automating anything. And it goes off, given the right tools, say web search, an Excel doc, Clay, which is a lead gen enrichment tool. There's many others. Goes and finds, fills, enriches these potential clients, writes a personalized email towards them, and waits for you to send it. That is an AI agent. Of course, it goes a little bit further and there's fussiness around certain parts. Like the bonus of this that we probably won't cover now, ideally it ends up with a self-improvement loop. See here, I went over the box. The self-improvement idea there would be, I would do the list, then draw the box. I start with the box. That simply is self-improvement. Memory is the same idea. It's like, okay, I made a mistake here last time. I should probably not do it there. Or this client said, get back to me in February next year. So keep that in mind. Like things of that nature. RL, HRL, human reinforcement learning. So you said it goes on. I can go on about this for this conversation is for, these topics are for another time. I can't do any meaningful work here. Right, so that is an AI agent. So let's to recap. The whole purpose of this is to remove the busy work. I don't want to be on Google Maps or Google just searching through lists and lists of potential clients to then curate an email to send to them, so on. That's what AI agents come in to help with. It's still you driving it. It's still your judgment. It's still you who chooses who to send to, the edits it makes, and so on. But it just does grunt work such that you can spend more time in flow. And that's what we're doing here at AiAgent.app. We're trying to enable you to stretch further, do more with less. A couple of things AI agents should, you should know about these, right? It's not magic. Newsflash. It is not magic, okay? And it should be treated as a tool. It needs guardrails, say Stripe or emails. And with these tools, you don't want it to have complete reign. You can't be refunding every customer or just refunding everyone that just says, can I have a refund? It has to be verified. Or the customer has to have asked for a refund within 7 days. That is a guardrail. Checks customer. Are they within 7 days? Yes, no. Can give refund, cannot give refund. That is the workings, the logs. And ultimately, the refund thing is the perfect example here. If it's a risky action, it should always go through the human as for now. Yes, human in the loop. Boom, there you go. So to go full circle, you come with me. Whoa. Right. An AI agent isn't just a chatbot, but that's where usually you see it. And automation is a set of rules. An AI agent is pursuing of these goals. AI agents pursue goals. So what is an AI agent? Loop the video. Bye-bye.